always hold you close to my heart. We would never be apart, even told you from the start. My heart racing like a go-kart. If you stay with me, I promise you we will go far. Take my hands all ever till the end. Death don't even do us apart, cause when I'm dead my love is in the same spot. When I first met you, you made my heart stop. Trust me, we gonna make it to the top. Think about you each and every day in my bed when I lay. You're the reason why I pray. Nothing that I wanna trade. Don't worry, we will never fight, cause I'ma make things right. Forget what others gotta say. They got nothing on you, babe. Just know that everything will be okay, so don't be afraid to take my hands. I'ma do everything that I can, cause when I have you, my mind comprehends. I know you've been through hard times, but babe, I'm here to walk away the tears. I'm here to show you, so have no fear. Showing you that I care. My love for you will never disappear. Maybe I promise you will never cry again. So would you take my hands? I need you by my side. Maybe listen, I will never hurt you. It's you and me, always together, through thick and thin like super glue. Everything I'm saying is true, coming deep from my heart like Aubrey said. You're the smoke to my heart, just give me one try. I would never tell you lies, I'm proud I had you in my life. You make me feel the butterflies. I see that your love is not blind. You're always in my mind, us together combined. I will make your life shine, no more darkness will be mine. As the time tick-tocks, better not look for the block. All I'm trying to say is I love you and you don't have to worry. I'ma show it and prove it too. What I wanna do, stay true. Make you feel the same way, boo. I waited my whole life for a lover like you. Now I got you, I'ma hold you tight. Don't worry, baby, I don't bite. And by the way, sorry, just begun. Building the love is gonna be really fun. Better than some. This is real talk, hun. Happy that I got you in my world, stuck in this love swirl. I'm addicted to your touch, I don't understand how. Is it fate or is it luck? Out of many millions, you're my adrenaline. Sending chills through my back that I get sidetracked. That's the truth, that's the fact. Like I got smacked in the face with love, but I can never get enough. You would never push a shove. Giving you my trust. In my words, our love is better than Romeo and Juliet. Nothing compares even a bit. I can be your medicine kit. Whatever you need, I have it all. Big or small, baby boo, you know that I love you too. Soldier crew, the line for better or worse. Don't sweat it, cause it will only be forever and better. Our memories will be good, like a pen written on paper. We only know the present and the past, but I know I'ma make our future last. So tell me what you feel about that. Hope you like it. Chris.